So good morning children. Today we are going to learn how to write L, H, N, M or B. These letters are belongs to the same family. It is just like a one lesson. Okay. Now I am going to write L, H, N, M or B and how to write in a proper manner and what are the skills in that letters and what are the structures of the letters. I'll explain now. So let us go to the board. Here I am writing the straight line. It is straight line and the letter H. You see, I am writing straight line. This is L. And first basic of English italics handwriting. Now I am writing on in the four lines. Straight line. It is known as the letter L. I am writing straight line and dividing the line into two and taking U-shaped turn and writing straight line. Again I am writing, you can see, straight line, dividing into two and taking U-shaped turn and again straight line. H means one straight line, one curve, again straight lines. The second part also is in straight line manner. Okay? I am writing again, look at the board. Straight line, curve, straight line. Yes. I am taking now small straight line and writing a curve and again straight line. You know this is the letter N. N means it is the R part of the letter H. You see here. Straight line, curve, straight line. Straight line, curve, straight line. And I am giving one more curve here. That is M. Straight line, a curve, straight line, a curve, straight line. Straight line, curve, straight line, curve, straight line. The M. M means there are three straight lines, small straight lines here, like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, like this. And R. So mostly children write like this, but it is a wrong. R should be like this or like this. So we see here R. I am writing here. This is a beautiful letter. We can draw like this only. Okay. N means like this. Yeah. When we write the double line, it will become an ought. Yes. I am writing in the four lines. Now I am writing the letter B. You know the H. It is H. In the same way I am writing the letter B. Here I turned the line, the bottom of the straight line. You see here. First I begin the letter just like H. And here I am taking a turn and connecting at the bottom of the straight line. Here. You see. Okay. So L, H, N, M or B. When you are writing the letters, here you see, when we are dividing at the middle of the middle zone, when we are giving the turning, here is a gap. Gap will appear while writing H, N, M or B. You see, here the small triangular shaped gaps are there. These gaps are known as the beauty of English italics handwriting. By this gaps only, the beauty will come. You see it here, small gap, triangular shaped gap here. When a line is taking into U-shaped turn or becoming an oval shaped circle, the gap will appear. You can see H, N, M or B. So dear children, these are the same pattern letters. I mean same style letters. You practice in the 4-rule book in the same manner, you will get good handwriting. Okay?